Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel DevInshal. Today I will show you how to improve the speed of a website using CSS. So I hope you'll be also enjoying this video, and if you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After that, also hit the notification bell from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video which I will be uploading. And this video will be also really helpful for you, and share this video because when you share, so more people can learn these amazing projects and things which I am telling you about these coding languages, and in future we will be also covering up programming languages also. So I hope you are enjoying. We'll hear the CSS series we are covering with, and today we will be also bringing a CSS project. And also just don't skip any of the part from this video. See total video from start to end, so you can learn one to one thing about this video, and this will be really helpful for you. So I hope you understand all the things, and just you can check my all previous videos which I have uploaded of CSS. And if you have done with CSS, so you can just check my previous videos of HTML and CSS. Create a small video, but that are really helpful. And if you enjoy or like or learn from that videos also, so please hit a like to that videos also. So I hope you understand. Now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building a project which is called improve the speed of our website, and I will be telling you how to improve the speed of our website using CSS. So this video will be really helpful. So please see this from start to end, so you can learn things from this video. So now I'll be starting to build. So for building this project, we will be using the Sublime Text Editor like we use in previous videos, and in previous videos also when we work with CSS or HTML or CSS, we use only one text editor which is called Sublime Text. So today also we will be working with this text editor. I will be opening Sublime Text by going to my search bar, writing Sublime Text and opening it. You can see these are the things I am getting in this. I will be now doing one thing. I will be now placing this. I will be saving this file. Then I will be doing one thing here. Okay, now it is good. So now I'll be closing these all things. Now I will be doing one thing. I'll be moving to my index.html file. You can see it is totally empty because I've created this file, and I will install the post which was in that, because that were really used, that source which was written, and I don't need of that post. And if you are having same file which is same name, so you can make different name. You can make the file with different names, so you can write with that. You can see we are getting all the starting code. So now we have to write the starting code of HTML here. You can write HTML here, then press tab, and you can see where we are getting all the starting code of HTML. You can see how we put in is that. So we are getting the title written. You can add the title here. So the title should be related to your topic, or it's your choice. You get related to your topic or not related to your topic. I'll be going to my desktop. Then I'll be opening my index.html, and this is my default browser, Opera browser. So it's open the file in Opera browser. You can see. So your default browser will be Google Chrome, because many users use that browser, and that browser is really helpful for beginners. But this browser is also helpful because it provides all the latest feature and things and the apps which are user needed. And in Google Chrome we have to open the app by writing its name. Then we have to press the link and open. But at the side you can see in the Opera browser you will be getting all the apps at the sidebar, and you can work with these apps like that. So these are the things which is really awesome in Opera browser, and I use this Opera browser so much. Like if you want to watch YouTube or anything, you can use this Opera browser. And Google Chrome is also good browser, but I think it is very old version now, and now the people are coming on these needs on these latest browser which are just coming, and Opera is also a latest browser, and I'm also working with that. But it's your choice what browser you use. You can use Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, or you can use Microsoft Edge if you are not having any browser here. So you can see now this is my default browser. I want to write title here, so you can write any title related to your topic. I'll be writing related to my topic, so I will be writing improve. So I'll be writing here improve speed of website. Now here I'll be writing this. Then you have to do like save this, but save you have to press Ctrl S to save and press reload. You can see we are getting improved speed of our website written here. So you can see how cool looking is that. So here now we'll be starting to go here. Now we have to write the tools which we are getting. So here I'll be moving to body tag. Then I will be writing speed. Then I will be writing H1, and here I will be writing same heading like improve. So here I will be now pressing this. Then you have to press Ctrl Z here. Then write improve the speed. So I'll be writing improve the speed of so here I'll be writing of our website. So I'll be writing this. Now I'll be saving this and reloading. You can see we are getting the heading which is written improve the speed of our website. Now here we can make a style tag. Now we'll be making a style tag. Just you can erase the style which is written here. This is the style written here, and you can see now this is the style tag which is written, and it's looking awesome. So I'll be pressing enter here, and now this is style tag is used to write CSS codes, and we also write CSS code by using this style tag. So I will be also writing that. Now I'll be writing this tag, which means you are defining all the things in HTML. Now I'll be giving it the font family. So the font family I will be writing here is Poppins. So here I'll be writing Poppins, comma sans serif. So here you have to write comma sans serif, create, save, and do it. You can see the Poppins font family we are getting here. Then I will be doing one thing. I'll be taking it in center. So I'll be writing text align in center. So I'll be writing more text and that all will be in center. Save here and below. So this is in totally in center. Now I will be doing one thing here, same as like I will be giving it the color. So you can give any of the colors. So I will be giving the background color to crimson. So write crimson, same here and below. So we are getting it on crimson. Now I will be doing one thing. I will be writing color of text white. Same here and below. You can see it is totally white. And when you are just getting this here, you can just now put any of the heading you want to put. So here I will be now going down. Then I will be putting H1 here also, and then I will be writing here the tag which should be like website. You can see. So here I will be writing website, but here I will be writing H2 because now it should be small because heading should be big. Now I will be writing website. You can hear. Then here I will be writing p tag down, and I will be writing loading with some random text. So here I will be pressing tag. Now I will be pressing save and do it. You can see we are getting this. So here I will be taking it down. For taking it down, you have to do one thing. Move down, and here you have to write br tag, and then copy this br tag here, paste it many times like you do. Save it here, and then you have to just load and down, and you can see it just move down. So you can just paste it, save here, and load again. So you can see it, and we are just getting it here. So now you can make it more bigger if you want to make it. So I will be moving here in p tag. So when you are in your p tag, just you can write font size to 16 pixels, save here and below. So here if I reload, so you can see this is the 16 pixels font size we are getting. So you can just set it to save here and below. It will be too big, you can see. If you don't want it should be too much big, save here and below here now. So if I show you, you can see now it is good. At the website I will be also taking it big. So here I will be now writing H2 in which we have defined. Here I will be writing font size 30 pixels. Save here and below here. You can see now it is more bigger. If I show you, you can see and looking good. So this is the thing which we have built. And now if I go to another tab, and now if I write file, means if I open this, means if I copy this URL here, copy this, paste it here, control it paste. And you can see how much the fast our website is opening. Now if I go to inspect element, then if I go to console to set it, so you can just write here improve speed. Now when you will be writing that, press enter here. Then when you're writing that, just you have to move to another window, press control V, enter. You can see how much fast our site is opening. And when we were opening in browser, so it was taking too much time. If I show you, when I am opening in browser, so it is taking time, then it is opening. But and when I'm pasting here, then it is opening fast, you can see fast. So like that, you can work with, and like that you can improve the speed of your website. So you can see how fast it is working. So this is the thing which we are getting here. You can also make button or things you want to make here. If you want to build, you can do that. How fast it is working. So this was the project which I want to show you. This was the small project of improve the speed of a website in CSS or using CSS, and I hope you understand this. If you have understand and learned from this video, so please, if I like to this video, if you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn these amazing skills and things related to CSS. And I've also uploaded some of the small HTML CSS tutorial. You can check that out also. You can again see how speed it is working. You can check that out also because that are very helpful. And subscribe, because when you subscribe it will give motivation to me to make more videos like that and do more hard work for you in future and in coming up videos. In coming up videos I will be also telling you about programming languages, because now we are working with coding languages, and then when we will cover coding language, then we can move to programming languages, and I'll be also telling one thing about programming languages which will be really helpful. And this video will be also really helpful. Do not skip part, start to end. You have to see this so you can learn many of the things from this video. So just I will be also uploading the tutorials of HTML CSS in future, and that will be also very helpful, because in that I will be telling all the things start to end also share this, because when you share, so more people can learn these amazing coding languages, and in future I will be covering up programming languages, because these are amazing things when you go in future and when you apply a job or anything, so it gives you really benefit. So these things are really important to learn, and when you learn, so you can just also become a developer of that. So just I'll be meeting next project. So for today, goodbye.